So today I'm going to be using the Bymario palette and eye primer, or eye, what's it called? Eye prep and set. Okay, I'm going to be using that today to create this look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a fall makeup, and I'm gonna be using the Makeup of Mario palette. This is it. And I have the Master Eye Prep set as well by him. So I'm gonna go ahead, first time opening this. So I'm gonna open it. As you see, I already did my eyebrows off camera. So let's see, I need to prime my lids. God damn, how can I open this shit? Okay, here we go. So this is how it looks. Cute. That's the back. I guess it's just telling you the shade names. Well, actually the shade letters and numbers, because this is how it is. That's how the back looks, and this is how it looks. I believe this, yeah, I got the medium one. Comes with a mirror. So I got the medium one. It has the, I guess, the concealer and the powder with it. And the palette, let's open the palette and see how it looks. Now, when I went to purchase them, well, actually I did it online. When I purchased them online, there's a little video of how to use the primer eye set. So this is the palette, and this is how it looks. That's as much as it opens, by the way. Just FYI, the mirror is right there. Those are the shades, and this is how it's crazy. It doesn't have names for the palette. It has just matte 1, matte 2, matte 3. It's pretty cool, very simple, not those difficult names people be using. Just saying. Anyways, I want to create a fall look with this one, so let's get started. So I'm gonna use the primer eye prep set. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use this one to prime my lids. So I want to use my fingers, but then I don't know if I use. Okay, so I'm gonna use my finger for one eye and then a brush for the other eye. So let's see how it is. Ooh, it's very creamy. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very creamy. I guess that's kind of good. I don't know. Let me open the little mirror out of the way and just start priming our lids. Okay, so this is how it looks so far with my finger. Okay, not bad. I like it. Very creamy. Feels nice on my eyes, not too heavy. Okay, so far so good. Okay, and now let me grab a brush from my other eye. Let's use, I think the palette comes with its own, I think his set comes with his own brushes, but one thing at a time, okay people? So I'm just gonna use the Morphe M124 brush. I'm just gonna use that on my other lid. See how it is. Okay, not bad. Maybe his brushes are better. It will be better, in my opinion, because I got more here than here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So let me get some more. it's best to just use your fingers, whatever you guys want. I think I like this one better. Anyways, so I'm gonna grab this fluffy brush from Morphe, M441, and I'm gonna set my eyes with the powder. This one is S2. So that's how much I'm using. I don't know if you guys could tell, but of course it's gonna be fallout. Or dusty, whatever you want to call it. So I'm just gonna set my eyes with the. I like it. So far so good. Okay. Beautiful. Alright, so that's that. So far I like this to prime my lids using my finger though. Alright, so now we're gonna use the palette. So let's see what look to do with this. Let me see my brushes. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my Morphe M505. Looks like that. And I'm going, remove the plastic. I'm gonna use the shade. Alright, so I'm gonna use, I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, matte 7. It's this one right here. I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna put it on my crease. Remember, I'm going for a fall look, so just keep that in mind. So I don't know if it's me, but I'm getting like a line, like I don't know how to explain it, like it's breaking up or something. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like, I don't know, it looks weird. It looks really weird. I don't know. It's like a line. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know why it's doing that. I'm just trying to buff it out. Okay, so I'll just move on to the next eye. And I'm just bringing it out because I want it to look like a wing-like type of look. See? It's like it's breaking up. I don't know. You guys see that? I don't know. I don't know if it's because of the powder, the setting powder, or I did it with the brush. No, because I did this with my finger, so it shouldn't be breaking like that. Like it's showing like a crease or something, like a crease line. I guess that's the best I could explain it. Let's keep going. I wish you guys could see what I'm talking about. Like you see all these lines. I don't know if it's because of my concealer that I placed on my eye, to clean my eyebrows, or something's going on. how much I buff it, it's not blending it. Alright, let's keep moving. So now the other shade that I'm going to use in there, I'm just trying to see. I think I'm gonna go with this one down here. I just put it right on top of that color, but more going down on my lids. Wait. And for that one, I'm going to use my Morphe 330. A lot of dust. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's every shadow in my opinion. No matter what brand it is, it will always have that little dust particles. So this one's going in my crease, literally in my crease socket. With the same brush that I used the first time, I'm just gonna buff everything out, blend everything together. Maybe I shouldn't have set the primers. Should have just left it like that. I mean, next time I'll do that. See how it will look. I'm just gonna deepen this color a little bit more. Okay, so on my lid, I'm gonna use this shade over here in the corner. I believe that is matte 9. I don't know how to read the names or whatever they call. But wait, I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna put it right on my lid and see how that one looks. So far, I'm gonna repeat the same stuff for my lower lash line. Yeah, so I'm just gonna grab the brush. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use this brush. Actually, no, I'm gonna use the brush from Morphe M506, and I'm just gonna use the shade, what number is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, matte 7, and place it under my eyelids. Go in with the shade over here. It looks like a green color, like an olive color. I'm just gonna apply it down in the other corner of my eye, just to darken that a little bit. And now this part is not in the palette. I want something shimmery. So in the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this one, Sleek Loose Pigment. Okay, I found it. I'm going to use my glitter glue and just apply that on my lid. Just be careful with this loose powder. I put some on. Come on. Oh my god, it's like everywhere. It's like floating everywhere. Maybe I don't need glue. Let's see, let's try it. Let me see in a little brush. Just using a brush like this. And use that to apply it in my inner corner. See how it looks. It's like white everywhere. Not bad though. Pretty. Okay, so that's how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna apply my lashes and do the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back with the finished look. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I put my lashes on, then my whole face, blah blah blah. You already know the routine. Anyway, so my thought about this palette and the primer thing. Let me tell you, the little palette, to be honest, is okay. I mean, you can find these shades in any other palette, but it's like, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if it was because of the concealer that I use with it. I mean, it's the same brand. It's supposed to be going on smoothly, but for me, I felt like, I don't know. Maybe I just need to give this another try or something, but maybe I should do the concealer without setting it first, or without setting it period, and just go straight with the shadows, because the way it looked when I was trying to blend in everything, it was like cutting lines. So I'm like, I shouldn't be doing that, right? It's the same brand, so I don't understand why it's doing that. But I do like the consistency of the concealer. It's very soft. You could, you know, pick it up with your finger. Very creamy. It's very I like it. I like the consistency. The shadows, they eye, okay, they ain't all that. I mean, they're okay. I mean, I like how small it is and travel size, you know. I like how that is. But I don't know, if you guys want me to do another look doing this again using these palettes, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, click on the bell to get notified, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.